Imagine starting your morning with these golf course views and your morning cup of coffee. Welcome to the Bella. This is our very last home available now in our gated neighborhood Via Fiore at Copper River Ranch. This home sits on a huge golf course lot and is even located in a cul-de-sac. Has direct gate access to the trails. It features 3 bedrooms plus a home office, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage on a 42-foot driveway. Let's go take a look. And take a look at this absolutely stunning walk-in closet that features tons of built-in custom shelving and granite countertops. Murray, I'll be here if you need me. You can go film the rest of the house.
You sure?
I'm sure.
All right.
Just kidding. One of my favorite things about this home is this Granville signature feature that combines this large walk-in closet to this spacious laundry room that even has the perfect craft area and tons of shelving for additional storage. Now, as we make our way into this open concept living space, you'll step into this gourmet kitchen that features granite countertops, and you even have a large corner step-in pantry. And take a look at this open concept living space that combines this spacious dining area that's connected to this 12-foot sliding glass door, bringing the outdoors in. And take a look at this absolutely breathtaking backyard that sits on the 13th hole of the Copper River Golf Course and features custom planters, gorgeous landscaping throughout, and a large side yard. And just a few steps from the dining room, you're connected to this large great room that features built-in shelving, a beautiful fireplace, and across the kitchen you have these beautiful glass cabinets above and down below for extra storage. Let's go take a look at the master. This master bedroom features private access to the back patio, and you're steps away from a true oasis. This master bathroom features an oversized step-in shower with seat, a beautiful tiled-in tub. This former model home is available now in our Via Fiore gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch and sits on a huge golf course lot right here on the Copper River Golf Course. Plus, it includes some incredible designer features and upgrades that you're gonna love. Contact our Copper River sales office for more information.